Right, what we're going to try and do today is sort out this wonky toilet seat, and I'm talking over the top of an extractor fan. So here we go. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure we've got the pan in its correct position. Then open it carefully, and what I'm going to do is just do a small line around this hinge fitting, just a little bit, so that we can see where they belong when the thing is in its correct position. The next thing is I've just found this chisel kicking around in the drawer, so we're going to remove these two silvery covers here one way or another. They just slide off. Doing this live, guys, no rehearsals as usual. Try not to drop that in the pan. This side the same. There we are. Now, as far as I know, the seat should just lift straight off now. There we are. Then the covers lift up. And there you can see the screw that holds the whole fitting together. Now what we've got here is a screwdriver set from Wilko, cost about a £5, I suppose, something like that. So we'll find an appropriate screwdriver head. Looks like that one, a bit too big. Go for some a bit smaller. There we are, that will go in there. Then all we got to do is tighten that up. Just put a little bit of pressure on that as you're tightening it. So there we are. Just tighten that down. That's nice and tight. And I guess what you could do before we put the little silver top back on is just test the seat in its position to make sure it's straight. Let it come down. Yeah, that's perfect there. I guess you could even tighten it up a bit more if you had a long handle screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is just take it off there again. I'd probably advise getting a decent screwdriver, not, to be honest, not this Wilkinson's toy, but it will get you there. Get that nice and tight. Put your little silvery thing back on. Press it right down. Okay, hope the lady doesn't see the marks. There we are. Put the seat back on. Put your little silver tops back on. Oops, that's the way it goes. Put that one back on that side. Job done. Okay, there's just a little bit of play in the fitting. Job done. Hope that helped some of you guys, and If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be very nice. You'll be able to see all the other crazy DIY jobs we get up to. Thanks very much for watching.